For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda.
Ananya Pandey! How are you, babe? We gotta give them mics because I have so many questions, so many questions. So I'm gonna start with the gentleman, Tiger. I'm gonna ask you a very fun question. Trailer, how much they love it, like it. But here's my question. Trailer देख के मुझे सिर्फ इतना जानना था. How many bottles of deodorant, man, for that shot?
Actually, खाली 2 takes लिए थे, तो we didn't waste too much deodorant.
And after that, how many people like to smell you? Did you smell him after that?
I mean, I'd be lying if we said no.
Oh, fabulous, fabulous. Hey, welcome, man, Tara.
Thank
I'm
you
so
so
happy to
much.
speak to you.
Thank you.
पहले तो इस college में भर्ती होने के लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. How do you feel? Do you think this is like a dream debut for you?
This is most definitely beyond a dream debut for me, and I'm sure for Ananya as well. We can't be more thrilled.
That's fabulous. Ananya, did you say that you're really looking forward to this song that launches today?
I'm so excited for you all to see the song. We've enjoyed dancing on the song, and I really hope that you all do too. We're so nervous and so excited.
So students, you think we should show them the song right
Yes,
away?
yes,
Let's have a look.
please.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, can we have the song, please, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, a little more love will go a long way for this afternoon. Can I please ask you all to put your hands together to give them the applause that they deserve? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Sorry, इनके हाथों में आजकल सिर्फ मोबाइल फोन होते हैं, तो you forgive them, please. But I have so many questions. First of all, let me tell you, as a retro show host on radio, I'm very scared when someone says they want to recreate R.D. Burman's music. This song is 47 years old. I play it on my show all the time.
Definitely, it's just such a legendary song, and I mean that in every manner. Absolutely, when it comes to the composer, to the artist performing the original, to the singer Kishore Da. So there's no way we can match up, but it's sort of our tribute to them. So yeah.
It's a great tribute, I must say that first of all. It's also आपके father का favorite song है?
Yes, Dad's
Is that
favorite
true?
song as well. Yeah.
Yeah?
His favorite composer is R.D. Burman.
Absolutely, and no doubt, guys, for the R.D. Burman fans in the house, please give them a huge hand. This is beautiful. मजा आ रहा है because I love the way you guys are dressed in this song. There are a couple of setups, of course. They're fantasy college life. So tell me, what is the funnest thing that you read on the internet about, the reactions to the trailer?
I think it was really funny because people were like, we didn't have these uniforms when we were in school. Even I didn't have these uniforms when I was in school. So I think it's a larger than life film, and you have to take the magic that comes with it.
And
So,
what was your favorite setup from these three in the song?
I think the school uniform one, because that was little close to our real
है
uniforms.
ना थोड़ा
That little,
fantasy
yeah,
school?
little school.
Yeah, I wish schools in Bombay did that for us, right?
Same.
Yeah, they won't let us, guys. They won't let us. Yeah, all right. I was in Xavier's, and we would get fined for wearing red.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Insane, right? Yeah. Thank
We
God
weren't
I'm
allowed
out
to
of
wear
college.
nail polish.
Or nail polish. Yeah, so I'm taking revenge right now with my red nail polish. Tara, you've got to tell me, what does this song mean to you? क्या ये गाना, do you have any memories of dancing on this song before this time?
It's funny, when I was growing up, my parents would play beautiful the classics, and this is a song I think so many people have grown up listening to. So it's literally, it's a privilege to be able to dance to this song with the legendary Kishore Das voice. I sing, so for me to be able to dance to a song that he's sung, it means the world.
Yeah, speaking of singing, we've covered singing. I also know that you are quite a bit of a singer, and we're going to wait for that to unveil in a couple of days, perhaps. But Tiger, I am so sorry. What was that dance break, man? It was the stuff of dancing legends. Can I please ask you to give a big hand for that dance break in the middle of freestyle? Man. And also you're wearing like a Shami Kapoor suit, like a gold suit. It looked absolutely fabulous. But I'm going to tell you to do something. देखिए, वो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. Tiger can sit here for 2 days and try and teach us that dance break. We can't do it. We'll do something more simple, okay? You're going to now educate us, okay? We're all going to try and be students. The hook step is a lot of fun. The Gili Gili Akka step. I think you're going to immortalize it with your signature step, guys. Would you kindly step forward and show us how it's done? Come on. Please. Tiger's ready. Tiger's like, I'll do it. The girls are like, should we?
We also
All right.
need to learn a little bit.
Yeah,
so we-
please, Tiger.
Okay.
गाने पे कर रहे हैं या ऐसे ही सिखा रहे mic
I
पे?
think पहले आपको हमें थोड़ा सा सिखाना पड़ेगा. So you can
So
instruct us a bit.
we'll do the Gili Gili Akka. I think that's easy. Yeah.
Yeah,
Gili Gili Akka.
please. Without the mic, okay?
Without mic.
Okay, just show me the movement and I'll try it with you. Okay? Slightly bend, okay? Gili. Akka. Apriya. 1, 2, Akka. Okay. If you can move your leg at the same time, okay. Right leg, okay. No core strength, guys. 1, 2, it's like chapati is happening. Okay. 1, 2, 3, I finished at the end. 6, 7, 8. Gili gili akka. Gili gili akka. Oh, because I'm everybody's akka, guys. Okay, done, done, done. Almost done. You think you can do it with a bit of music, guys? Is it possible? Is it possible? Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's try it with the music, guys. Feel free to put your phones down and join us, all right, ladies and gentlemen? All right. A big hand, guys. That is amazing. You guys, once more, once more. You know what? We have very little time. I know you have questions and answers, but we'll try and make it once more a little later, if you don't mind. Could I have the mics, please? Are, are? All right, all right, all right. दादा ट्रेलर 2 बार चला दिया, आप बच्चों की जान लोगे क्या? सवाल है नहीं है? सवाल नहीं है, सिर्फ डांस देखना है. Okay, I'm sorry guys. This has never happened. This has never happened at a trailer launch before. But the media, of course. Okay, thanks girls and boys. Thank you so much. Okay, you want me to do it? No, I'll join you. I'll join you. I'll tell you why. Oh, wow, 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 wow. अब हमें सताएंगे नहीं आप. दीदी बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएंगी अभी. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the floor is open for questions. I know you have some, make them count. I give you my glorious students of the year too, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a question, put your hand up. Yes, you have my first question. Go for it.
Hi, Tiger.
सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल. So, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि इन्होंने तो बता दिया इनकी मेमोरीज. आप बताइए इस गाने से रिलेटेड आपकी क्या मेमोरी है, and what was your Baba's reaction, first reaction, since it's his favorite song?
He hasn't. I don't know if he's seen it yet.
Okay, मतलब आपने बताया नहीं कि
नहीं
ये गाना-
बताया भी नहीं मैंने.
Okay.
I haven't really shared much with Dad. I like to usually surprise him closer to the release of the film. So yeah.
Okay, so what's your memory with this song?
My memory is dancing to this song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And इससे before this song, मतलब you actually shot for it, मतलब school के time पे
नहीं,
या college के time
जहाँ
पे.
तक मुझे याद है मैं बहुत छोटा था, तो I don't remember much. Yeah, it's very vague in my head. I remember listening to it on radios or seeing it on TV every now and then with, of course, Jaya ji and Randhir ji. So yeah.
Okay, एक और सवाल आपसे ये है कि जैसे अभी बात की मीम्स के बारे में, so एक मीम है जो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ है, मतलब you are responsible for bringing Marvel and DC together with Spider-Man and Wonder
Yeah,
Woman.
we are.
Yeah. So what's your
That was
take on
funny.
that?
I thought that was pretty cute and funny, and yeah, I'm really happy that whatever's been happening, we've been getting a lot of traction, from a lot of people, a lot of eyeballs, and very grateful that our trailer sort of created some sort of a stir on the internet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next question.
Hi, Tiger. This is Urvi here to your. Hi.
Hi.
On the
Hi.
left. Yeah.
Since we all know you are a very good dancer, did you have any inputs in terms of the choreography of this song?
No, I really didn't have any inputs. I was just doing what I was told. I'd like to thank, Remo sir, of course, his team, Piyush, Rahul Shetty, and Shazia, of course, who handled the girls. Yeah.
Tara and Ananya, I both have a question for you both also. Since it was your debut film and this song, which is already a popular song, R.D. Burman song, were you all nervous when it came to performing on this?
You know, actually, more than nervous, I think we were really looking forward to it because it's such a famous song. It's a song everyone has heard. The fact that Student of the Year 2 gets to have this song is a huge deal. We were so excited. We were rehearsing, and it's just surreal to be able to dance to a song like this.
And I think because we maintained Kishorda's voice, it just felt even more magical. And the video of the song, the old video, there was no dancing to it. Like there was a car and the bike,
cute and
it
sweet,
was very
yeah.
cute and sweet. Yeah. So I think this dancing adds like a lot of fun to it. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti, this side, to the corner.
कहाँ पर है?
Idhar.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti from Movies Adda. First of all, fabulous song, of course, and
Thank
all of
you.
you are looking very gorgeous. But मेरा question तारा और अनन्या के लिए because Tiger के comparatively, dance करना उनके साथ is very tough. He's too good. He's just too good. तो उनके साथ dance करना, adding to that question, तो कितना ज़्यादा tough था उनके level को थोड़ा match कर पाना? Was it tough for you? Was it a pressure?
It's impossible to match Tiger's level. Firstly, he rehearses so much, and even though he's so good, he rehearses so much. So when we're looking at him on set and he's rehearsing, we're just like, what are we doing? Because he's perfect.
And
he's
also,
still
every take is a
practicing.
perfect take. So if we mess up in the take, it's very stressful.
very
But he's very sweet, and he never makes us feel like, he's the best.
हाय तारा और अनन्या टाइगर यहाँ पर ज्योति मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब भी रिमिक्स सॉन्ग आते हैं तो क्रिटिसाइज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि ओल्ड वर्जन को लोग पसंद करते हैं तो ऐसे में आप लोग प्रिपेयर हैं कि सॉन्ग कितना लोगों को पसंद आएगा कितना प्रेशर था पूरा शॉट वो करने के लिए और इसके बाद जब आप लोगों के सामने आ जाएगा तो वो कितना मतलब आप रेडी हैं इस चीज़ को लेकर
मैम प्रेशर तो बिल्कुल नहीं था क्योंकि हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि यार हम मतलब एक रीमेक करने जा रहे हैं हम एक ट्रिब्यूट देना चाह रहे थे उन लेजेंड्स को सो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी मीन टू रिप्लेस देम और इट्स जस्ट आवर टेक एंड आवर ट्रिब्यूट टुवर्ड्स देम दैट्स ऑल सो इन नो वेज दैट्स बाउंड टू हैपन बट इन नो वेज कैन वी कंपेयर टू द ओरिजिनल
टाइगर हियर टाइगर
हाँ जी मैम कहाँ पर
हाँ जी यहाँ
या हाय
ये जो सॉन्ग है इसमें आपने स्टेप्स तो लाजवाब किए हैं
Thank you.
लेकिन जहाँ तक गाने का सवाल है
जी।
तो ये आपकी जो रियल पर्सनालिटी है उससे बिल्कुल मैच करता नहीं है
जी बिल्कुल
आप थोड़े से शाय हैं तो इस तरह की लाइंस कभी अपने स्टूडेंट लाइफ में किसी को कही है
नहीं देखो जैसे आपने कहा मैं बहुत शर्माता था और शर्माता हूँ तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माई पर्सनैलिटी पर बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे एक मौका मिला इस गाने पे परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला मुझे एंड आई गॉट टू एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ इन दैट वे
तो थोड़ी घबराहट थी कि आपके टाइप का गाना नहीं है
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल घबराहट तो हमेशा होती है सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ माई जॉब एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ड्राइव्स मी उससे मोटिवेशन मिलती है मुझे
Hello, Tiger, Tara, and Ananya. My question is for you all. I know that the film is a fantasy, school, all of that. But the trailer and SOTY first also was slammed for, the kind of representation the students have in this school of yours. What message do you give kids who look up to you? They have body images, image issues and the way you all act in the film. So what kind of message do you give your fans? Because your fans are also very young.
I agree with what you're saying. I believe that when we're in school, we have a lot of pressure and there's a lot of stuff going on. So when people go to watch movies, they want to escape from that. So I think we're providing an escape for them by watching this movie. We're not trying to be role models or anything. We're just trying to provide them a moment of happiness and a moment of joy to get away from that stress. So I think that's a better way of looking at it.
It's not a heavy film at all. It's just come have fun. It's a film for the youth. It's a film for the families. And it's just going to be an entertainment sort of experience for everybody. It's just come have fun. Don't bring your thinking gaps.
Yeah.
Come have your popcorn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree with Tiger and Ananya. I think we're trying to provide absolute enjoyment, entertainment, and a space for escapism for everyone, whether you're young, whether you're older. And I just hope that people in school and college can enjoy themselves as much as we have in St. Teresa's.
Yeah, Tiger. Tiger here. Tiger. Here. अच्छा, ओरिजिनल जो गाना है जवानी
हाँ जी,
दीवानी 1972 का, there is no dancing in the song.
बिल्कुल.
It's just sung.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो इतना प्रेशर था in terms of this is all मतलब recreated, the dance, the steps, the choreography. So
I think pressure महसूस नहीं किया मैंने, क्योंकि ये इतना अलग है ओरिजिनल गाने से, तो एक अलग टेक है ऑल टुगेदर, आप कंपेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे. I think the only comparison you can have is that we've used Kishore Da's voice, of course, and other than that really कोई आप compare नहीं कर पाओगे सर.
And I think we should give credit to Vishal Shekhar for
Oh
that.
yeah, Vishal
Absolutely,
Shekhar just
absolutely.
Like, give them a big
Can't say
puppy
enough.
from me, man.
Hi,
That's
Tiger.
really cool.
Tiger.
Next question?
Hi, here.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
You've carved a niche for yourself in stunts and action. So is there like always trying to raise the bar? Like how do you what do you do for it? You have to constantly keep trying new things, and how do you go about? Because you can't be repetitive there.
That's true. As an action hero, it's very difficult to keep coming up with new things and new sort of spectacles for the audiences to see. And I like to credit my team and my directors, for always choreographing me differently. And it's all about, I continually, work on myself day in, day night. So, yeah, that's pretty much how it is. It's just a vicious cycle, but I love to do what I do. Yeah.
Hi, Tara.
Sir, वो पंखा बंद करो ना, please.
Hi.
Thanks. Sorry, I'm feeling cold now.
We're dying.
Hi, this is Tanmaya here from Radiant Music. First of all the best for the movie, and the song
Thank you
looks
so
lovely. I would like to know that the word is really strong that you're making your debut in singing in your next upcoming film. Is it true?
Sorry, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
The word is very strong that you're going to make your singing debut in your upcoming film. Is it true? And would you have liked to sing a song in this movie too?
I would have loved to have sung a song in Student of the Year too, and Karan knows that. But I'm actually not singing in this film. This film is all about dance, it's about kabaddi, it's about the three of us.
Right.
I'm not singing in Student of the Year too, but I look forward to singing in my next.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Hi,
you. Our
Tara.
last question now. Thank you.
Hi, Tara. Hi, Tiger. Yeah.
Right in the front.
Okay, my question is to three of you only. Like, there are many memes doing all around the internet. So, what are your personal favorites, three of yours?
I think my personal favorite is, and a lot of people have been sending me this, is a picture of a very sweet schoolgirl, and then there's my picture, and it's like normal schoolgirls and Karan Johar schoolgirl, and I just think that's really funny, and it's kind of flattering in a way as well, and I really enjoy those.
There's one of me walking away from Tiger, so it's like me walking away from my responsibilities, and like then even the one where the three of us, where he's holding both of our hands, like we have like different faces morphed on, like pizza, choosing this over that. So I think that's really funny. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I can say the one I like. It's a dirty thing.
Same.
But yeah, I won't say it. But the other one that comes to mind is अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया, मैं 4 बंदे को एक साथ मारता हूँ हवा में, तो that's basically how I go about my week. This is how I'd like to go about my week. That's how you tackle Monday, Wednesday.
There's also a really cool one of us in the Marvel DC thing.
That's
saying,
right, yeah,
Avengers
yeah,
coming
which
up in
they
this
invented,
Tiger and
yeah,
I
yeah.
walking. That's a really cool one.
That was fun.
Well, you know you're a success when you're a meme, ladies and gentlemen, don't you? Alrighty.
Keep
We
making them.
can take one more question because it's getting more fun. Can I ask you to have one more question? Okay. Oh, sorry, I get the ishara. You know what? We can't let you go today without you showing us that dance break, Tiger. I know. It's a bit much. But यार कहाँ हो? आवाज दो यार. क्या है? इसके बगैर तो नहीं होना, टाइगर प्लीज.
देखो, सच बात ये कि मुझे याद नहीं है वो स्टेप्स, और मैं शायद कर भी नहीं क्या मनोज करेगा? क्या मनोज कर ले साथ में, आजा.
So Tiger, would you try?
चलो try करूँगा.
Try करेंगे?
I'll try whatever जो भी
You're
याद है.
amazing. You're amazing. This is such a sport. You're such a sport. Thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't expect him to do this, but this is really gracious of him. My student of the year, too. Let's see you move. How do you do this, man? How do you do this? Like, there's got to be
I don't
something
know,
inside you which is like a higher power. Do you think when you dance, what is the one thing that goes on in your mind? I really want to know.
I feel like that's the only time in my life that I connect with my my idol Michael Jackson.
Wow,
So, yeah.
wow, ladies and gentlemen, and that's of course a great answer. With that, we'll wrap our question and answers for today. Give them a big hand once again, please. And now, of course, I would like all of you to bring your cameras forward because I know that this is photo time. So, yeah, especially मेरे जो दोस्त हैं जो कैमरा के साथ हैं, thank you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, there haven't been better students, I tell you, every year. You must know Tiger's totally choreographing your poses. Wow. Wow. One more, of course. One more. Two. Woo! Wow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you at the movies. Thank you so much, the three of you, once again. Ananya, Tara, and Tiger. Solo shots first with Tiger Shroff, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Could I please? Thank you, all yours, ladies and gentlemen. Guys in the front row, please keep your camera slightly lower. There are people behind you. Thank you. Just keep your cameras ready. Television. Yeah, post for them, man. Post for them. देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के. Tara and Ananya, yeah? Okay. My right side and my wrong side. And my good side and my good side. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for giving us so much love as well as